So I'm over here on our property, and I'm actually just looking to see what the town has done as far as maintenance on this drainage ditch. So this one, in one of our other videos, we kind of explain what this whole ditch is here for and where it kind of runs. So the town maintains this, and this is the one along the edge of our property. So it actually ends up coming all the way back here and tees into the one that runs along the back of the property. So they've actually came through here and dug this one, and they continued on working that way. So I think what they'll do is when they get to the end of their limits, they'll take the other main road down and then clean all this up. It looks like they already came back here actually and used the chainsaw to at least cut up what they needed. So what's nice is this will be completely cleared out for me. I was gonna clean it up, but I didn't realize they maintain this, and it's been over 5 years since they've done it. So quite a mess back here, but sounds like they're gonna come up and clean all this stuff. So pretty nice. It would have given me a little bit of a fun project, but it's also nice not having to tackle it. So they did an awesome job. I'm just gonna come back. This is the first time I'm looking at what they've done. This was completely grown in here. There's my property stake. That's pretty cool. Wow, yeah, they did a great job. Completely cleaned it up. This is very sandy stuff, it looks like. So that's the drainage ditch, or the drain piping that they did. I think they probably did it 10-15 years ago. Dug this new ditch out. Unfortunately, this ditch, the existing one, is actually right here, that is completely grown in. So they decided, instead of cleaning that one out, that they would just dig a new one. The problem with that is it chewed up a lot of our property. So unfortunately we can't really use any of this portion, but it is what it is. So yeah, it looks like this is the first time I've actually come back here when it's cleaned up. So this is our property corner stake. This is the marking the very back of the lot and the corner. So I don't technically own up to this, but nobody would ever be back here using this. My plan is actually back here to build a nice little fire pit and place to hang out, because it's really cool back here. And it's nice that they cleaned all this up, so I'll be able to rip the four-wheeler or dirt bike or whatever we end up bringing over here along this path. Definitely cool. So I own all these woods and some of the field over there. Yeah, I'm just excited to get over here with the skid steer and start doing some projects. Like I said, it's nice they'll be cleaning this up for me, but plenty of other stuff to do around here. So this is the first time I actually drove the truck down the main hill off the road. I didn't want to do it in winter because I didn't know how soft it was, if it was muddy at all. So, but the first plan would be to get the skid steer over here with the trailer and start cutting up a driveway and bringing in some fill to get a nice entrance up to the road. I can't use the hill that I came down for our driveway. I did kind of talk it over with the town, but they didn't like the idea of having my driveway come in where they usually bring the excavator to clean this out. So, and they only do it every 5 years or so, come back here, so I'm not too worried, but they didn't like that. So I'm just gonna bump the driveway over a little bit, but we'll see. So stay tuned for some of those future videos of whatever we'll be doing over here. There's plenty of work. I gotta clean this whole thing up. It looks like they just kept dumping stumps and branches and stuff. I just want to clean that up. So all right, we'll see you guys soon.